Hello. So in today's video, we are going to talk about how to start exercising. So let me know in the comments if you've ever been like, I'm so busy. I don't have time. I don't know what to do. I'm going to share with you 7 tips that you can implement starting today or as soon as you finish watching this video. So don't forget to like the video if you are excited about what I'm going to share, because I have some super cool things, and this is for somebody, as I said, someone that's always saying they're busy, because we're all busy. We all have 24 hours in the day, right? So I'm going to give you the first thing that I'm going to share with you is start walking. Like, seriously, don't think that you need to have a gym membership or some kind of expensive equipment. Just start walking. Even if it's 5 minutes, you can do this literally inside your house. I've done it before. I'm not sharing things that I've never done. I've done it with my son when it was like minus 40 outside and we didn't want to go outside. We just did laps around the house. So that's the first thing. Start walking. And if you are able to get outside, hi, baby. Okay. Get outside if you can, because you can, yeah, I'm coming. You can get outside, go for a walk, be in nature, and, enjoy nature and the fresh air, the beautiful scenery, everything, depending on where you live. So that's the first one. You can start by walking for as short or like 15 minutes will do the trick. And the best, when you start really getting the benefits, is when you walk for half an hour and then you keep going and going. So that was tip number 1. Excuse me. And then number 2 is to listen to your body. So if you are doing any kind of exercise, whether it's, strength training or doing yoga, Pilates, bicycling, anything, if you are doing that and you feel pain anywhere in your body, just stop, because we want you to be mindful of that.
It gets all in the face.
You want to be mindful of that because you don't want to keep going and, potentially cause more injury to your body. So just stop and listen to your body and, just call it quits and, see what's really going on. And then number 3 is schedule this schedule this part of your new routine in your calendar. So if you're somebody that uses planners, I would encourage you to, put it in your planner. I use a planner and I do write, meditation in there, and then non-negotiable is to exercise. So put it in there, because by you doing that, you are committing and you're putting it out there, because things will work out in your favor for you to be able to do it, right? For example, like if you have a meeting, if you are a serious person, if you have a meeting, you do put the meeting on the calendar. You don't just go, oh, I have a meeting, and then, things happen and whatever, right? And then number 4 is to make it easy. You're starting, like I said, that you're starting this journey. So you want to make it easy for yourself. Make it easy for yourself. What do I mean when I'm saying that? Find a time when you are at your, what is it called? Find the time of the day where you are more energetic, right? When you have the most energy. For me, it's first thing in the morning. I usually do. Okay, Connor, you gotta stop now. Please go. That's enough. You don't need any more. Oh my gosh. For me, like I said, it's beginning of the day, early in the morning. That's when I usually do my workout. Whether it's my own exercise or even just going outside with my son. We tend to do it in the morning because that's when we are at our best. Like, we have more energy to do that, right? And then number 5 is to remove all the obstacles. I mean, this might sound a little crazy, but I promise you, if you do this, I used to do this even when I worked in retail. So you want to, the night before, you want to get your clothes ready. Like find a special spot where it's like your designated area where you put your workout clothes, you know, whether it's your leggings, your workout top, your sports bra, whatever, your shoes, just get the stuff ready out there. It's waiting for you. Because when you do this, you know, even though you may think that it's not gonna do much for you, like in your mind, you know, your subconscious mind, you are going to, there's something magical about it. I don't even know how to explain it. Like I said, I used to do that when I worked in retail. I would set my clothes the night before and then tell myself I'm gonna wake up at this time, and then my body would just like boom wake me up. So remove all the obstacles and have all your stuff ready the night before, because that's going to, you know, it's going to help you out a lot, where you are not going to get distracted and feel like, you know, like have all the excuses. And this way too, if you are out of your workout clothes, then you can then you are able to realize that, right? And then you can do all the laundry the day before and then have all your stuff. So just set yourself up for success, basically. That's what I'm saying. And then number 6 is to find accountability. I mean, this is a huge one, because when we have somebody that's holding us accountable, we don't want to let them down, right? So find somebody, whether it's a friend, or you can, you know, even put it up on your social media, right? And say, you know what, this is what I'm doing, this is what I'm committing to. And then have, you know, have people that are going to rally you on and encourage you and support you, because we need that, right? Because there are times where you are not going to feel like doing it. So find some kind of accountability, whether it's, you know, through social media or even just a group of like-minded people, and create like some kind of a community where you can do that for yourself. And then the last one is, this one is huge. I've been talking about this. You know, most of the time when someone starts a workout program is because they want what is it called? They want to lose weight, right? So instead of feeling that way about exercise, you want to be mindful of, you know, why you're really doing it. What do I mean by this? You know, like really like listen to your body. Like how does it feel when you're out for a walk? How does it feel when you are, you know, lifting the weights? How does it feel when you're riding your bicycle? Like how does it feel, you know, emotionally deep down? I was doing yoga this morning. I did yin yoga, and for me, like when I do yin, it allows me to really go deep and connect with myself, because there are poses that I do and I'm just like, oh my gosh, like I'm in so much pain and I want to quit. But at the same time, I understand that this is a way of my body to tell me something that I really need to focus on, right? So that's what I mean about, you know, being mindful and being really present, and not using the physical movement as a way to punish yourself. Because like I said, most of the time, you know, you decide to start a program, or you decide to start walking because you either want to lose weight, or you're like, oh, I ate so much food and I want to, you know, burn the calories and blah, blah, blah. So those are the things that I wanted to share with you. And I'll quickly do a recap. So walk, listen to your body, schedule the the workout, make it easy for yourself, and then remove all the obstacles, and then find some kind of accountability. And then the last one is to be mindful. And I hope this video was helpful. I would appreciate it if you would give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, because I do this. I share videos like this. Well, not like this. I share videos to, you know, give you things that you can use, and I upload my videos every Thursday. And I know that there's something that I share that you can benefit from. So, do all those things, and please share this with a friend if it was helpful, because like I said, we are all busy. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Hi, baby.